How to cancel Uber One subscription. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the settings of the device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to your Apple ID at the very top. In here, the option of subscriptions will be visible to you. Head over to it. It will redirect you to this page. So in this page, you will see all the list of the application that you have bought the subscription of. For me, you can see none of the application is available. It's because I haven't bought any of the subscription yet. But for you, if you have it, then it will be available. If you want to cancel or remove the subscription, all you want to do is click on the Uber One app. Once you have clicked on it, it will show you all the detailed information about the subscription that you have bought. At the bottom, you will also be able to see the option where it says remove or cancel. All you want to do is click on it and then tap on confirm. Once you click on confirm, your subscription will be cancelled successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel Uber One subscriptions. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.